Welcome to Felking Kalkadmead. I am here to teach you MS Excel 2021 Lesson 3. Today we will talk about how we can write Urdu in Excel just like this. Yesterday I wrote in Urdu, so for this, which software do we need to use, which fonts should we use, and how do we set its direction and other settings. Today, we are going to learn this in this lecture. So, before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please like and share this video because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So, let's start today's lecture. First of all, you can see here that I have written Urdu here and I have installed some software. Now, which software are these? For this, what you need to do is turn on your internet connection and then go to Google. Here we type google.com and after that we will type download ParkSign keyboard. We have to type ParkSign keyboard here, and as soon as we press enter, the website or page for the Urdu ParkSign keyboard will open in front of you. Here you can see that many websites have opened. For now we will click on the second website that appears here, download Park Urdu installer. As soon as we click here, its homepage will open in front of you. To go to the complete homepage, you have to click here for now on M, and then we will close this ad from here and wait for a while. We will reach the home page. Now you have to install the Urdu keyboard so that you can write Urdu there. So you have to click on the Urdu keyboard, and we will also close this site from here. After that, scroll down and here we will click on free download Urdu keyboard. You have to click on this link, and as soon as you click here, this page will open in front of you. Now you have to click on the Urdu keyboard layout download link here, and as soon as you click here, another page will open, which is Mediafire. Here we will click on download, and as soon as you click on download, you will see that I have IDM installed. If IDM is not installed, it will download in your browser as well. For now, we will click on start download and then go to open folder. As soon as we click on open folder, you can see here that it has been downloaded. Now what we have to do here is extract it. So right click on it, and after right clicking, select extract to Urdu ParkSign keyboard. As soon as we extract it, you can see here that it has been extracted inside the folder. Now you have to double click here, then double click again, and after that you will see UPS K1 written here. Right click on it and you have to install it. Since I have already installed it here before, you can see it here on the taskbar. So look here, as soon as I click, I have both the English keyboard and the English Urdu keyboard. In this way, you have to right click here and install them from here. Right click and then click on install. It will be installed for you. Since this version is already installed on my system, that's why it's not installing again for me, because I have already installed it. Only after uninstalling it will I be able to install it again. So for now, you have to install it from here. After installing it, I am closing it from here. Then I will go back to the same website, and here we click on Urdu font. So you also need to use the Urdu font here because you need the Urdu font. The name of the Urdu font we have is Jamil Noori Nastaliq. Here, click on download Urdu font styler, then click on install, and after that click on the download link. As soon as you click on the download link, you will see that the Urdu font installer page will open. Here we click on download. As soon as we click on download, you can see that the ID has opened for us. We click on download, and within a few seconds it will be downloaded. After that, we click on open folder. After clicking on open folder, you can see that I had already downloaded it before. Then we right click here, click on extract here on the installer, and you can see the font has appeared here. Double click on it, then double click again, right click on this font and run it as administrator, and then you have to click yes. You can see it is already installed, so after that I will have to remove it first, or I can just click next here and it will be installed for me. It is asking you to restart the computer, so you select no, I will restart my computer later, and click on finish. After a while we will restart it. Anyway, since I already had the font installed, we can use it. Now after this, what you have to do is close this program from here. After closing it, you have to open Excel. Then I am creating a new file here so that I can write in Urdu here. After that, as soon as I come here, I am increasing the zoom so that I can show you up close. Now the direction we have is left to right, meaning only the English direction is selected here. So whatever data is shown moves from left to right. So first of all, we need to change the direction here because we want to write in Urdu. To switch to right to left, what we need to do first is go to the page layout, and after opening page layout, we will set the sheet to right to left. So as you can see, the direction has changed. After that, we click here, and after clicking, I now want to change the language. So to change the language, what will I do? Look, by clicking here, I can change the language. If I click on Urdu here, then Urdu will be selected here, or you can use the keyboard. The key is on the left side of the keyboard that we have. As soon as you press Alt and Shift, you will see that the language is changing here. When you press Alt and Shift, it switches to English. Pressing Alt and Shift again will switch it to Urdu. And here we write, for example, I wrote a name, used the tab key, wrote the class, then after that wrote the roll number, then wrote the subject. After this, we type the obtained marks here, then we type the call number here. So in this way, you can also write in Urdu here. Now, if you want to change its font style, how will you do that? First, select it here, and after selecting, go to the Home tab. After clicking on Home, come here, and then you need to change the language again because all the font names are in English. So what will we do? We'll press Alt and Shift so that the language switches to English here. Then click here and type Jamil Nouri Nastalik. As soon as you press enter here, see your font has changed. And if you click here, you'll see one is Jamil Nouri Kashida, and we also have the Jamil Nouri Nastalik font, so we can use that here as well. You can make it bold, and if you want to change the font size, you can do that too. And from here, if you want to rewrite it because there was a mistake, for example, here we wrote Hasil Karda number 8 ship. So let's correct it to Hasil Karda numbers. And after that, if you want to write here, you can do that very easily as well. For example, I am writing here, I copy this date from here, copy, and then by clicking here, we paste it. After that, whatever we type here will be written in the same size, same font, and same style. So here we are writing today in Excel in Urdu. If you are reading about writing in Urdu, then see, this is how you can write it very easily. So this was my lecture for today in which I taught you how you can write SX in Urdu, how to install your keyboard, how to use fonts. And besides this, if you want to download a collection, you can go to Google and type it in. Here, type download Urdu font collection Unicode. And as soon as you write this, you will find many websites offering font collections. In the next lecture, I will teach you how to add fonts. So, see you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.